Good afternoon. You are welcome to another edition of our online class. And today we want to talk about how to connect a CCTV camera. How you can sync everything, connecting both the cameras, linking it with the DVR, the power supply, which some of us will call power pack also. And this video is a special edition. I want to say this is the Christmas edition. Don't be surprised I'm putting on red and red. So, but now we'll go into the business proper. Today we are dealing with the analog kind of camera. Analog kind of cameras. We have the IP cameras. We also have the analog camera. Now for this is an indoor camera. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay. This is an indoor camera. This is how it looks like. What you see, identify the indoor camera, the analog camera. This is the indoor type. You see this. This is the part where the BNC is connected. This part of it. This is for the power. The BNC area is the side that has to do with the video part of your camera. The video. This one controls the video. While this helps in powering up the camera. This is the indoor. Then we also have the outdoor. Sometimes some of us will also call it the bullet camera. Okay. Now this is the indoor camera, the outdoor, sorry. This is the outdoor camera. I think there's a visor for this, which is here, a visor which will be connected to the top of it, just to help prevent water from entering this, just an additional protection. Okay, I won't be needing this for now. It is after the installation if it's placed outside. Fine, let us stick with this. I just want to show us how the outdoors, so that when you're carrying out any installation, you're trying to propose any, make sure this one are used outside. Never use this one outside where you have water, where water can reach, because by the time you take it to a position where water can enter, it can damage this easily. The IP for this is not like this, that is waterproof. This is not waterproof. Okay, let's go further. Another thing I need to show you is a BNC connector, which is this. This is used to connect the camera. I've seen some installation where some persons, a bad one, they have to cut this and start joining the cable. No, you don't do that. Get this. See, this can marry this. See, right? Good. See, I take it out. This is it. That's a BNC connector. Then we also have the power plugs. This helps you so you don't need to cut any of this from the camera. See, this is the female. This is the female part of the power connector, and this is the male. So you take the female, slot it into it, right? That's fine. Okay, these are things you need to get. And also, when trying to carry out any of your CCTV installation, I always advise you try and get a CCTV tester. It is very good. It makes your job most times easier. You can use this to detect if your cameras are working. I'll do a sample. I'll try this. Let me show you how this operates. All right. Okay, here. I'll link this with this. Okay. Then the BNC, this can go into this. As for this kind of tester, this CCTV, analog CCTV tester, it is this can accommodate a camera of up to 8 MPs. 8 MP, this one. There are some that can do just 2 MP, but this is for this one can operate accommodate 8 MP camera. Okay, now I need to check this part. There's a part for 5 volt which is input for charging. This part, the 12 DC, this is the one is an output. It can power this camera, so I'm going to connect this. So maybe I have this, I don't need to bother about power when I'm outdoor or somewhere close to the camera. I want to test the camera. So the other part of this tester, this is the cable for the power. This is it. I take this other part, I slot this to the camera, and I can switch it on. Okay, so let's see. You can see. Okay. See the image. You can see this image, right? Yeah, this is the image from this. Okay, let's watch this. Okay, now showing it's night. Okay, that's for that. Great. Okay, I need to put this off now. The another thing we need to look at for is all you need for this. This is a DVR, the recorder. This is where all cameras are connected to. Though this very one is for 8 channels. How do you identify that from here? You count these ones. There's V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7, V8. You know this can accommodate a maximum of 8 cameras. So this is an 8-channel DVR. Okay, and this part, let me show you some other part. This is the HDMI output. You can connect when you're done with your installation. You want to link it with your television. This is the output. Just connect this to the TV or the monitor, a display. If you're having a VGA, you can use this, connecting it to maybe a VGA, a PC, maybe monitor with VGA. This works with it. This 12 DC 12 volts. It is the power for this. What powers this? Inside this DVR, we open it. Maybe that might be in another class. We open it where we connect a hard disk for us that will record this, because it comes without a hard disk, and when that is done, you can actually record your videos. Then your image, you can actually record you can actually record scenes. So then also one part here is this is the LAN port. This is where should you want to view your footage remotely via your phone, another device with the app, this is where your LAN is connected, your internet cable is connected. Okay, this is an internet cable. This is actually plugged in here. Okay, and this other part goes to what I call the router. This is a router. If this is on, I connect this here, and there are ways to configure this. So after configuring from a remote location, you can access this video. You can have this installation in Lagos, and you be in Abuja, you start watching it. So this is what you need. This is a router, which will just, all this does is to have internet and helps to power this. Other configuration, you carry out that. Then another thing we need to talk about is the power supply. For this is an 8-channel power supply. Okay, show you. This is a 8 channel, but I think this is a 9 ways. So actually this can accommodate 9 cameras. I made this for you. I just got this because this is an 8-channel DVR. I got this also, so I can connect maximum of 9 cameras to this. Right? Good. So now other things you might need for your CCTV is getting your digital meter is important. You need your digital meter can use to determine if the length of your cable is actually too long, maybe if there is voltage drop, if there is continuity with your cable, if your cable has a breakage somewhere, you know, this will also help you in detecting that. And also, this one right here is the ROG59, the ROG59 cable. Let me split this up so you know what this one cable I always recommend for CCTV, because it has the part for for video. The coaxial area is for the video, while the other one is for the power. You can see these strands, yes, copper. Then you also have this at the middle. Okay, this, you have this at the middle. These are like the ground, you can use at the ground. This is the main part. Then you also have this part with it, which is the power. So it comes with two kinds of cable in here. This for the positive, to connect to your power of your power plugs. So it's connected to the positive, and this to the negative. So you need this kind of cable for you to carry out your installation. So let's go proper to our installation, our connection. Good. I hope you enjoyed this class. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video if you like it, share with friends, invite others to like our page, and we're coming up with more videos even to enlighten you. Till we meet again, Merry Christmas. Do have a lovely week ahead. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.